What's the plan for today? The plan for today is to fill in this slot. Test. Test. There has to be a minimum time, guys. I'm pretty sure. Probably just restarted the bot. Ah, that didn't work. Debugging collector's bot. When will collector send the next message here? What the fuck did I walk into with the chat? We're debugging someone's bot who's trying to spam my chat. Idea of the insertion. I don't know yet. It has to be... It's gotta be something with bleed. So I'm thinking about like a sting skill. Something like this. So if this is my tangerine. And this is his lovely sword. Then I wanna do like some sort of sting thing, maybe. Something like this. Like so much. Yeah, something like that. And this would, like these stings would be ability activations where the ability gets stronger over time. You're doing skill tree today. Yeah, I'm going to add a new skill tree ability today. What's the best way to handle bleeds? Is that a real question? Because I don't know. Right now I have every bleed tick separately. What's the difference between big and small reacts, Cakes? Big reacts means more reacts than one. And big also means... Oh, I don't have coffee even. Guys, I need my coffee. I forgot. Okay, sorry. Zoe needed help for a second. Your stream is good. It's a good coding break. Yeah. Thanks for showing real world coding. Collector stuff. You're welcome. More reacts than usual. Amazing. Yeah, right? Okay, now. Let us begin, my brothers. I have an idea. So. And to begin with this idea, we need to go over to this website right here. What's this? Pixel art. We're going over here. Oh wow, Pikachu, thank you very much for 45 bits. I really appreciate it. Cakes, will you work on gameplay? Yes, that's what we do today. Thanks for being honest, wholesome and non-leading towards your chat, Cakes. So what we need is a sting animation for pixel art. This one would be cool too. I want a 3-part spell. I want a thrust. Maybe we can find a thrust. Collector is actually right. You can see the dev source streams, dev office streams in his category. You made baby already thrusting. Let me see here. This one maybe. This could be something. Impact. Yeah. Oh. No. Nope. Maybe this. Nah. Let's see. I guess I have to Google. Excuse me. We have this. No. Cakes have ever been far? Wait. Ever been far even as decided to use even go want to go look? Okay. Oh! There is. This is a step. Okay. Step. Well, this is gonna be difficult to even animate using code, bro. It's gonna be a very difficult one. I think we should just start with the programming and see how far we get, because right now it's getting kind of boring for me. Yeah, let's just move on. So, don't worry, Super goes back from vacation. The difficult ones are the fun ones. So here's what I want to do. I want to have this kind of sting. Jip, jip, jip. I don't know how to animate that properly. We'll try out. But essentially, I also need to animate the sword. So what I'm going to do here is we'll code in the sword. And then make the Tangy just keep using the ability. So first we need to create a new ability. And I don't know. We're going to keep it sting for now. And let's draw a weapon. We go over here, draw the sword, trail, intervene. This was shield bash. And now we draw the sting ability. Let's see. Let's first add a new ability. Ability, sting or something. We'll figure out the ability name later. Ah. Oh. Okay. Yoink. So, case. What does sting need to do? First, we need a name. String sting. That's kind of funny. Okay, and also get rid of this. We could call it thrust storm or something. See, how do you handle large projects? We have that, and then blade, storm, description. We also have the description sting. Yoink. So what does sting do? What's the best way to handle a serverless web? Did you just get rid of the leading ST in your head? What? Leading ST? Sting? So, what do we do here? Thrusts. 4 thrusts your weapon forward. Stinging kinda sounds bad. Like impaling the target multiple times. This inflicts a heavy, and then I guess red bleed. Let's see here. Bleed. I thrust my weapon forward. Yeah, bleeding. Okay, so bleeding right here. Okay. Bleeding. So this is scratch. Inflicting bleeding. Powerful bleeding. Wait, so scratch is different than Wolfhang Fist? Huh. Alright. Bleeding. Inflicts a heavy bleeding debuff. This inflicts a heavy bleeding debuff with each hit. Or this inflicts a progressively more... Yeah. Physical damage. Then bleed damage. Just gonna find that bleed damage thing here. Because that was nice. Here we go. Here we go. Bleed damage. Oh, goodness. And then we have bleed duration. Bless you, thank you. Thank you. What's more fragile, your engine or sanity after debugging? My engine isn't really that bad, bro. I don't know what you're trying to say here. But my engine is really good. Just take a look at this. We're gonna have a new ability in a second. Ah, we don't have an icon. Okay. Who do you work for? Well, right now I'm working for myself. But in the future... no, I right now work for myself, but I also work for a company. So like, it's part-time for company. And then the rest is for me. 80. Alright, it's time to start a sprite, and we need to draw the stuff that I didn't like drawing. Because I've never done this before. And I don't even know how to do it. I guess it's just rotated up and then angled. So I guess I want to do a, I don't know, 16 by 48 or something. And then in white. I kind of just want to do like some sort of pixel perfect. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. That's like a thrust maybe? Slice. And then a new animation is where this just goes away. And then just moves forward like 1 bit. Let's not spend too much time on this. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't move enough. So I guess I'll move this more. Then more. Let's try this. So essentially this would be a thrust. Let's put it in assets. A sprite thrust. And then export this. And put it in here. Open recent. I don't want to spend, again, too much time on this, because I don't even know if this looks good or not. And then we'll just put it to here somewhere, I guess. Because these are 48. Maybe here. Guys, have you seen the Minecraft trailer? I heard that the Minecraft trailer wasn't that great. And the last person that linked the Minecraft trailer got banned here. Because he interrupted us. Oh yeah, also we need to do an icon. Let's see. Yeah. So how do we do that? I have a feeling that I just want to do some very simple stuff. Like just... something like this. Some very simple stuff. Whoops. Maybe just move it. Whoops. Move that a little bit more. Did you learn Aspect just by doing? Got nice resource? Got a nice resource? Yeah, I have a nice resource for you, bro. I'll give it to you. Give me a second. I have a really good one for you. The one that I took a look at earlier. Maybe you weren't here. Then, you know, we could potentially just put in some bleeds. Damn, that's looking nice. Damn, your channel's about section is fire. What is, was it always there? Channels about section? Paradox? No. Cakez, I think the bot worked. I think the problem is OBS that held old client JS file in memory. Refreshing over your source should fix it. Okay. Let me test. Abath browser bot, refresh. Alright. So I'm gonna quickly rename the bot's videos again, and then we can test. Nah. Look. Oh, it worked. Oh, it actually worked. Ooh. Guys! Guys! We have the tech now. We have the tech. So now a selective few can post clips in this channel. Excuse me. And those clips will then be played with the random clip selector of the channel point reward. And I'm going to probably make it so that we will also, or maybe, we'll see. We can also make it with bits or something else. It literally just says, hello my bros. I don't know how I didn't notice. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. So we have the thing here. So that one I was assuming was 80. Is it? It's 80, yeah. So string ability icon sting is 80 and then 600. Is it? Yes. Okay, now that we have this, we can do sting. Then we have harmful type ability self. We're target type enemy. Point and click. Maybe now, for now, let's rename videos folder back Cakez until there is enough clips in the Discord channel. I mean, sure. Yeah. I can rename it back. There you go. Okay, now, a lot of coding, but big rewards, okay? Oh yeah, also, I need to change the ability description here, and we need to change the data. So, ability description sting. What do we need? We need physical damage, bleed and bleed duration. So, first and foremost, we need to have a float cost. That is energy cost of 20. Or 15. I think I'm gonna do 20 because this one's gonna be very strong. Cooldown, there's not going to be any cooldown. There's not going to be any duration. Then we have physical damage, yes. Physical damage will be decently high. So let's say 50 additional physical damage. That's a lot. And then for each level, we get, let's say, 10. For now, right? We'll see how strong this is because every iteration, every new activation of this ability will add more physical damage to it. Then we don't have projectiles. Then we have float bleed damage, which is, let's say, 50 plus level times 10. Bleed damage next level. And then, of course, we have bleed duration. And so for this, I want to increase the bleed duration by 50. And I guess I'm gonna keep it constant. This is an increased. And so, is there anything I need to do here? No. So first we start with the stat cost. It's ability cost. And then we add the cost here. First cost. Then we have stat bleed damage. No damage! Sorry about this. And that would be the bleed damage. Next is the physical damage. And I actually want the physical damage to be in front of the physical damage. Bleed damage. And then over here, the next target stat is bleed duration. There we go. And this one increases the increased value, not the base value. There we go. And then we just supply all of this here. The physical damage and then the bleed damage. Bleed damage next level. And then the bleed duration. Which means in the text here, We're not doing this. There we go. And so now we should have a new ability in the game, guys. Just like this. Without... You know what the fucking cool thing is, guys? I didn't even have to close my game. What's up? Hello there, TU1 Dev. Good morning on YouTube. I programmed this all in. And I didn't even have to close the game. Could be nice to add that A-Sprite resource to a command A-Sprite. Oh, you mean the resource to learn? Yeah, sorry about that. I totally missed that. Here. This is the one. It's a pixel art resource that I can recommend for anyone trying to learn pixel art. It's really good.
Hello.
This one right here, if you guys want it. Cakez, do you have any advice how I can become an amazing C++ programmer like you? My goal is to never finish a little tower defense game in 10 years. You seem to be right guy for this. Wrong. Also, okay, wait. I can add that. But it's gotta be something else. I don't know. Maybe this. Yeah. Maybe it didn't load yet. Yeah. Okay. Maybe remove example? Nah, it's fine. People don't know about it. Now they do though, but yeah. And maybe now I have to. Wait a minute. It doesn't show me this thing because I didn't update the texture atlas, did I? There we go. Look at this, guys. Sting. Thrusts your weapon forward, impaling the target multiple times. This inflicts a heavy bleeding debuff with each hit. Bleed damage 60%. Bleed duration plus 50%. Physical damage plus 60. Wow. Is the bot able to read chat? It could be handy to have it analyze a question and see if it has recommend and pixel art in the sentence and just reply to the user with the A-Sprite link Cakez. Or that's something that you could ask Abif. I don't know myself. Okay, there's a little bit of a textual issue here. The text that I did is... how do I usually do this? I put it here, right? The dash. That's number 1. There needs to be a dash. Oh, shit. Okay, fine. Need to add a new thing, and we need to save that next time. Okay, multiple times. This inflicts a heavy bleeding debuff on each hit. And so now, bleed damage. This has to be a plus here. Physical damage plus, bleeding duration plus. But the stat that I actually use here is... should then be increased. So, bleed damage here. This should be called bleed damage increased. Increase. Okay, and so over here, instead of changing the base of bleed damage, we increase the bleed damage. If that's good, then that's nice. If not, we need to change the base. Why does your skin always look so clear and well colored? It looks like you eat a lot of carrots. I actually hate carrots. But no, I don't know. I think it's because I play soccer and I was in the sun a lot. No, I'm brown, but just wait until it's winter again. I look like a ghost, bro, because I don't leave the house. And there's in the winter in Germany, there's no light. there's no sun. Shouldn't you call it football? Yeah, I know, but it just hat sich eingebürgert in English. Okay, guys. Sting. Bleeding damage, bleeding duration. And it costs 20 energy to cast. Now we can actually implement... So the ability is already in the game. Okay. Also, wait. The ability activation count. This is the important part. So ability... It's up here, I guess. Data.activation count. It activates 3 times. That's important. Also, like... I guess I do -1 every time? Or how do I do this? Yeah, I guess activation count -. Okay. It looks, does not look overly tan. It looks like well elasticized skin. Yeah? I guess. But I think it has to do with the sun. Because I don't do anything special. I don't even use soap, bro. I guess maybe that's it. Okay, let's see. Game CPP. And then switch over to A. So, when we have the ability Sting. So first and foremost, I want to test the following. I want to rotate the weapon. Goodness, this is gonna be crazy. Yeah. Sword rotation. Intervene taunt. Oh god. Goodness. Yeah. Pivot direction. No. Rotation on the sword. Straight up. Yeah. Let's use some example code here. Shouldn't be too difficult. What do you use for math in your game? GLM? No, I just use my own math classes. I don't have many math instances happening, bro. Alright, let's see. This can be applied, and then we're just gonna fix this code to what we need. Now that we have Sting, I want to make Sting a tier 1 ability. Save. And then make it be usable from the very beginning. There we go. Okay, save. Now we need to give ourselves some skill points. Now we have Sting. Need to give ourselves some stuff. Boom. Okay, now. He should use this ability on the first enemy. He doesn't have energy. He does not have energy. Also, I just noticed my Diablo bar is gone. We need energy regeneration for this, otherwise it doesn't work. Actually, we don't. We could make the ability free. And then give the ability a cooldown. I think that's even better. Sting. Let's see. Okay, we have no cost now, and then the cooldown. Something that we add in. Just to make sure that we can't spam this. There we go. Hey, yo, what's going on here? Hello there, kicking up. We are currently working on a tower defense game. I'm making a tower defense game in C++, and I'm currently working on a new ability called Sting. Okay. Let's see. You should be able to just use it, right? No? Doesn't cost any energy anymore. Interesting. It should happen, right? Okay. It looks polished as fuck, really? Have you guys heard that? Have you guys heard that? And Philly Troll, good morning. First time chatter. Yeah, so he's nice, you know, he's nice. He doesn't have abilities. There it is. So this has got to be the ability. Sting. So why? Oh, it says user activation? Really? Oh, I see. That's why it was at the bottom here. Okay. What if these messages are from Collector of Stuff's other bots? There's no way, bro. There we go. Okay, cool. Now it works. Hopefully. Let's see. Draw weapon. Cool. Okay, so now I'm just using this, right? So this doesn't do anything, right? This looks bad. And so the first thing I want to do here is go into update game, debug. And then essentially do what I always do when I debug these abilities. Game time. This one right here. This is essentially my debug loop, where I can infinitely restart the game. The game time right now is 2200. Oh wow. It keeps going, huh? Maybe I just do game stage level time. How do we... why don't we just do level... Game stage, level state... dot level... dot time. Gotcha, bitch. And then we can easily fix that timer here because it doesn't increase. And then I want this to be outlined and a bit smaller. Font size is 0.5. And then dot render options is outline. There we go. Now we know the time, and what do we have here? 15.43. So essentially, if it's greater than 20, game state level state dot time. If that's greater than 20, then I want to load the game state, and it looks like where's the transient storage coming from? I guess here. Looks like this. How do you learn new frameworks or libraries? Like, it really sucks because now I don't even know if you guys mean it or not. You know, it really sucks. $17. You see this? This is why I do C++ coding, guys. You see that? Does it matter if I do mean it or not? Pretty sure it's a cam filter. No, I don't have cam filters. What do you mean? Wild? Is that actually a bot? Twitch bot messenger? This is collector of stuff. Is this collector of stuff's messenger? Guys. Wait a minute. I'm learning a lot from this. I like how you handle errors. Great stream for learning. This is smart solution. This is interesting to watch. Nice code layout. Your coding style is neat. Where's collector of stuff? He got found out, guys. He was so lazy, he didn't even write his own bot. So if there's one more collector message from any of these, he's gone, guys. He's gone. He will be gone. Okay, I'm just saying it now. Your code is really clean. I made the guide on the setup. We're looking at collector of stuff's brain right now, yeah. What does this do? So now the cool thing is we can just debug this.
Great.
Look at that.
Back to my favorite Vulcan stream. Please keep your
sword rotation 0.
shorter than 5 lines.
Big retard, don't help.
Look at this. Huh? Isn't that cool? Pivot direction, entity, dot attack direction. What about this?
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, Mr. Wiz, thank you very much for following. Okay, guys, he's almost thrusting. Okay, it needs to be faster. It needs to be like instant. Boom, 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 boom. Am I late for the reaction of the first video, Cakes? No, I'm not. You're not. You're actually looking forward to it? According to Gree, yeah, I have 3 videos today. Looks like he's threatening the mob. Yeah, it looks like, right? Actually, we could use this kind of animation to taunt enemies or something. Actually. Not on my lawn, yeah, right? But I don't know how that would work if the enemy comes even closer. Let's see. Let's mark this as A and then jump back to the debug section here and mark this as B. What if we go over to 22 and just to see how it fares when we just keep going? Guys, I don't use a cam filter. I don't know. I think it's fine, actually. So what did I change? The sword rotation here? Let's see. Shield bash. Shield bash default. Intervene. Taunt. There we go. So what we could do here is make a different one for taunt. And then we just give taunt this. And then what happens? After that's done with intervene and taunt. Let's see here. So if it's intervene, it does this. Then at which point? Let's see. It activates the ability. And then does a switch case statement. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to clean this up because I can see a lot of duplicate code happening right now, but for now I'm just not gonna do this. I see that this is essentially the animation for the sword, and then what I can get away from this, or what I take away from this, is that there is some sort of identifier that tells me, oh, right now is when I want to do an effect, and I want to activate my ability. You see that? And so this type of identifier is easy. We can easily extract this out. And then we have a separation for the animation of the sword and the effect for the sword. Because I have very unique I have very unique sword animations in my game that have not been done before, or very rarely. Like Terraria has done that. Yeah, Terraria is doing this. Is he trying to stick it up the enemy soup? He's taunting the enemy, bro. That's what's happening. Okay, so in this case, let's see. Rendering option, additive blending. What is this? Effect sprite ID. In this case, I want to have the taunt face. Taunt face. There we go. Get rid of this. Then I want to add that. I want to hit the enemy and activate the ability.
Commit and push immediately.
Cool.
And then go vegan.
Alright, so now that we have taunt here, we can also program this. Hello Zend, good morning bro, hope you're doing good. Yeah, your game looks much more polished, 9 out of 10. You think so? I think it still needs a lot more polish, bro, but I really appreciate it, man. Sprite icon shield, yeah. I think it needs a lot more, you know? Of course, we are yoinking everything. Someone has already done that. Yeah, true. Cake. Hello there, Better Call, bruv. How's it going, man? Alright, so now, but we are working on Sting, right? We are not working on the other two abilities. I just want to test if they still work. If we're still doing our thing. Which it looks like we do. So, I need to somehow rotate the sword towards the enemy. How do I rotate the weapon properly towards the target? This is here. It always needs to be rotated to the target. So how do I do this? Visually wise, I think it looks great for a first impression. Yeah, thank you. I think it does too. It looked much worse in the beginning. That's the reason why I worked on this for so long. But it's still, it needs more oomph. It needs more polish. You know, a lot more like juice. I agree. From an outsider's perspective, it looks very polished so far. Sorry, I didn't mean Cam Filter. I mean an AI avatar. If I prompt for a failed fusion dance between Till Schweiger and the Unreal Tournament Kid, I will get something that looks like you. Interesting. Okay, so this is the important part here. I need to rotate it towards. This is an angle in radians. Can we just do get angle?
Gotcha, bitch.
From the entity.attack direction? Is that possible? What would that be? Oh! Okay. Now, we need to do 3 thrusts. Very fast. Okay. So you see this timer here, right? This is the linear timer. I think. So this is our linear T. Swing data rendering options. Flip X. We don't need this. Think we can do it like this. So this is rotation. So we have our linear T here. Three thrusts, but the animation is 2. No. Just wait. So we need to have const float array thrust steps or something. And these are 3 thrusts. The first one should be a 0.2. Then 0.4 and then 1 or 0.8. And so now we need to take that linear t and generate 3 very fast stings. And then we also have const float lift ups,
Gotcha, bitch.
which is also 3. Which in the first one would be, let's say, 8. Then we have 12, and then we have 16. This would then be the lift up here. Actually, wait. Yes. And that depends on which thrust we do. So how do we do this? We have the ability activation, right? So what we have is, we have the ability, do we? We don't, okay. So I guess we need to get the ability. Okay, now that we have the ability, and this should be always there, because I guess we'll do an SMS search. Nah, we don't. We're just gonna hard crash here. I don't do an assertion at all. I will crash. He just writes C. No, it's C like C++. Hello, free space, my man. Welcome back on Friday. Arc tangles, enemy orange from angle to enemy. Yeah, so get angle already does that. Thanks very much, bro. Yeah, but it does this here. It's our tangles right here. And thank you guys for following. You know, beat Big Water Dragon, Lil Hackers, Lil Hacker, maybe? Riziko and Mr. Weiss and Laris. Thank you very much for following. I really appreciate it. And Farfilm as well, just now. Thank you guys. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're currently implementing a new ability and I'm trying to create a really cool one. So we have this ability, right? And so we have the const int index, which is the ability dot data dot activation count minus essentially 3 minus that. So it should start with 0 and then go to 1 and 2 as activation count grows. And then we have a const float lift up, which is the lift ups on the index. Okay. This number 3 is a little bit bad, I know that, but I want to have 3 thrusts. If I want to have... I need to figure out a way to have this 3 not be a magic number. The rest is fine. Okay, if I figure out a way to have this 3 be something that I read from the ability. So, for example... Right, so let's mark this here and then go to sting, colon, and then mark this as B. You see how I... let's see. I have 3 activations. This is kind of bad, but I don't know how to get the 3 yet. Can you stop stalling on the Coffee Lover interview? Guys, I will not be able to do it this week. I had a terrible week, okay? We'll do it next week. I had a really bad week. I need to have time and space. Zoe was ill, you know? I was ill. My wife was ill. I literally had my hands full all week. No. Shut the fuck up. You wait. The magician, primogen should kneel. True. So, now we need to create a new t value for the lift up. The t value, const float t, is actually the thrust steps on index Let me think. So essentially, here's what I want to do. This requires some math, but maybe you guys can help. So essentially what I have here is this, okay? I have a t value that goes from 0 to 1, okay? And now what I want to build, and I create sections in this t value at 0.2, 0. Actually, that's a bad 0.4, by the way. Let's say this is 0.2, this is 0.4, and this is 0.8, right? 0.2, 0.4, and 0.8, okay? Now, what I want to do here is generate a new t value that is 0 to 1 from here, and then another new t value once I reached that from 0 to 1 here. And then another new t value from 0 to 1 here. And so if I, let's say, generate this one right here, let's say I want to generate the C, then C would be something like, I guess, 0.4. This has got to be minus 0.4. And then if, I guess, we have T in there. So wait, no, wait, maybe this is just 0.4, wait, no, maybe it's just 0.8 minus 0.4. That gives me the entire thing. And then this is the divisor, right? I'm pretty sure this is the one on the bottom. Has to be the one on the bottom, right? So this is on the bottom, and then on top would be T minus 0.4, maybe? Is that it? He's cooking? Did you already set up the tweening function? Tweening will be done on this particular C. We can tween this C. Is this working, guys? Ask Rames, super cool. 3 equals current activation state. No, the current activation, so the way this works, by the way, is this. Activate ability has... where is it? Let's take a look at an ability that has multiple activations. Did I do this already? I think I didn't. I don't think I have multiple activations, do I, at the moment? I do have multiple activations possible in the game, but maybe I didn't implement this yet. Not that I can, if there was anything wrong with it. Every time you say I got this, we all know it's about to go horribly wrong. No, you're wrong. Let me see here. Activation. I know I had an activation count. I guess maybe I just didn't use it. Cost multiplier. Activator energy. Ability. Facing direction. Cakez in his zoomer attention span. Ask Rames. Cakez got this? Yeah, I think I got it. So we'll just do a case here. Ability sting. Maybe just thought about implementing it. I think I actually have to make this a bit better. So an ability, it can't be a const, but essentially I need to have an activation count and then an int activation counter or something. Activations. We need this in there. Now we have the count. We can read from it. And we have how many activations we have done already. This would mean we are changing data right now, which means we have to reload the game. What if t is less than or t is greater than 0.8? This code will happen in a second. Yo, hello, Filthy Roll. Good morning. I wasn't even toxic. The interview might be the best way. Also, ask Rames, Superco, and Collector too for an interview. The interview route might be the best way to have actual good programming advice here. I can play your stream at 2x speed. I can tell you your future. You can only play it at 2x speed until you reach the end, bruv. Guys, we are so close. We are so close, okay? We are really close. I love this. This is great. Haha. Look, it just works. So now we have set up a loop, right? This is the loop that we can use to debug the ability more. And I just added in the activation count and activations. Now, if we go back to the game, what we could do here is... let's see. Every time we activate the ability and it actually works, I think it's at the bottom, right? Ability.data.activations ++. Maybe we do this here. It's a little bit disconnected. But we'll see. But maybe not. And so then... I don't know if I want to do a switch or... I think I have this. Const, float, fizz, damage, or bleed. Bleed, damage, increase is 0, 20, 50. And then we just attack the target using the stats. Hey, what's wrong with you? Why do I not have intelligence? Bro! Ah, it's because of this, right? Yeah. Hit type impact, yeah. The attacker ID is the activator.id. Damage number color. We keep it like this. And so what we do here is stats.values on stat bleed damage dot increased plus equals bleed damage increased on ability dot data dot activations. So what does that mean? Basically 0% damage on first, 20% damage on second, 50% damage on third. It's like, have you guys ever played Path of Exile and you had Ruthless? Multi-strike support, and each successful each successive hit will give you more damage. This is essentially how this works here too. Okay, so now that the ability is implemented, really easy. We need to go back to actually the thrust steps and come up with a proper T. So, and this is where I need to go to the bathroom, right? Give me a second, guys. 1 second. New here, what game engine are you using? I'm using C++ Bro and OpenGL. And we're currently debugging a new ability. Oh, 2S. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much for raiding.
Oh my god, oh my god, what a
Hello
day,
there,
man.
Jennifer. Good morning on YouTube.
Fucking days. Oh my god. I just can't anymore.
Yeah.
Oh my god, and the me and engines, man.
Yeah.
The fucking UI rotates.
Is the
even,
clip done yet?
What?
Okay, cool. Nice. Welcome. Thank you very much for raiding. Hello guys, we're currently working on a new ability. I'm making a tower defense game in C++. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome, everyone. More clips? No, please don't do more clips, okay? Yeah, we have set up Discord clips. Working. I can't.
Gotcha, bitch.
You are banned, sir. 5 minutes. Bitch. Alright, so let's see here. So, what we need to do here is this kind of thing. Alright? I have these steps, 0 to 1, and then blah, 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 blah. Okay, so crazy math is what we have to do. Excuse me. Let's get a deeper voice going, okay? Let's see. So we have the index and the previous index. So I guess const int previous edx is... And now we have this counter here, right? So that would be... Actually, we can't... Can we do that? It is on the stack. So it is ability.data. Actually, we can do const int activations, which is ability data dot activation count. Now we have activations, and then I'm pretty sure we can put this in here. See that, guys? Shit, it doesn't work. Why not? Damn, that man got sniped. Yeah, he got destroyed. True. It's index -1, but at most we have 0. So the maximum of those two. Now we have the previous index. And so how does that work? That doesn't make sense. So I need to have this interval from 0 to 0.2. How does that work? Hello, I subbed. Thank you, Hafa Flocken, YouTube 1. Good morning on YouTube. Oh, guys. Do we have any math pros in chat? Come on, guys. Help a brother out here, okay? I'm struggling with this math section. I want to have a 0 to 1 interval from 0 to 0.2. And then I want to have a 0 to 1 interval from 0.2 to 0.4. And then I want to have another 0 to 1 interval from 0.4 to 0.8. How does that work, guys? Come on. I need a simple sequence. That doesn't even make sense. No, it does. It's an interval. Yeah, so I want to turn 0 to 0.2 to an interval of 0 to 0.1, then 0 to 1. Hold on, explain it. You're gonna do with it. I don't understand shit. So you see this animation here, right? This plays the animation over 1 second, okay? I'm stinging this guy, okay? And maybe we'll do it a little better. Wait a minute. I'm gonna figure it out myself. It's fine. I'm just gonna figure it out myself. How do we do this? So what if we take the current linear t? Okay. This is a value between 0 and 1. And we need to remove the previous index if it exists, I guess. But if, let's say, wait, const int previous time, previous t, is the previous index is the same as 0, then the previous, yeah, that would be 0. Otherwise, it's lift ups on previous index. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense now. Now we have a previous t, so we want to remove the previous t. And then we want to divide that by the previous t. No, actually the current t, so the lift ups on the index minus lift ups minus the previous t. There we go. That gives us a t value that we can then use to generate a lift up. And then instead of linear t, we do t. Interpolate. That works, right? Cakez, would you do it for single out of one, or and then just a one change min val max val and restart? Let's see. Why does it not work, bro? Come on. Why not? So what you guys are saying is the following. I should have something like const float min values. Which, you know, is, let's say 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4. And then I should have max values, which is literally the same, but 0.2, 0.4, and 0.8. And then instead of that, I have lift ups for each of these that coincide with that. And then we have the index. We don't need a previous index. And we don't need a previous t. We just need to do the linear t value minus the min value on the index divided by the max value on the index minus the min value on the index. And then I get a t, which then can turn into a lift up. Let's see. Come on. Hell yeah, bro. Damn, bro. Boing, boing. But it doesn't lift. So it like, it's okay. Let's make this crazy. I wonder what happens on the last one. Huh? Wait, it doesn't take the correct lift up. Huh? Wait a minute. Instead of 17, let's do 19. With that function, you can you can at least get the proper value between A and B normalized. I'm unsure what he's trying to remember what the function was I learned 2 years ago. Hey, what if I do 300? I have a feeling that it doesn't increase the counter. It doesn't. It does not. The index never increases. It's always This never changes. So essentially what I need to do here is... So if linear t... If linear t is greater than max value on index, then we need to activate the ability. Using the entity. And the target data would be, oh god. Yeah. Let's see. Pretty sure I have target data here somewhere. There we go. Check what activation is and how you calculate the index. Yeah, I know already. And then this is supposed to be a value of the ability.
Gotcha, bitch.
Target location, attack direction, target ID, component enemy. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, but it attacked once though. Not bad. So we have our first. So I wonder how many times it activates. It activates once. And then it never really changes the index because the activation... wait. Let me see. Minus activations. And this is not activations. This is supposed activation count. Yep. Man, every time I see the new features proposed to the C++ standard, I just want them to stop. It's ridiculous how many crap they keep throwing at it. I think it already works. I don't... Sorry for the rant. I don't really see why they would need that. Uh-oh. What happened? No! So wait, so we have 3 activations, right? And the index is 3? Wait a minute. Oh, the index is just the activations at this point. Guys, we got it this time. It's gonna look weird, but this is it. Watch this. What? Come on. Come on, why does it not work? It just hit. Why is it not increasing the activations, bro? Eh, does it not work here? Huh, it doesn't seem to... Let's see what happens. It can't be activated because it's on cooldown, I guess. Okay, now this time, come on. Yeah. Do you even change data activations? I think I do, yes. So we get sting here, we attack, we break, and then I do activations ++. So now the ability... Whoops, not description.
Am I so out of touch?
Oh, Shrubtor, my man, thank you so much for subscribing, man. There we go.
Big support for 24 years. Less than 3.
Ah, I know what the issue is. Apply skill tree. I keep the abilities here. And so whenever I apply the abilities, I need to keep their cooldown. and activations. Update stats, but keep cooldown and activations. I really appreciate it, Shrupto. How's your job going along, bro? Thank you so much for the big support. 2 years right now, crazy. Yeah, it's such a long time. I still remember the time, the very beginning, bro. His tower defense has skill trees based. Yes, it has. All right, guys. This time it is. It's gonna work. 100%. Why does it not increase? God damn it. Oh, bro. Hey, Cakes, could you also make a stream shop for Cakes coins or something? Cakes coins? What does that mean? Hello. Oh, man. She looks so fucking funny when she's on the back. Was?
Wife is pissed because I forgot something which I didn't even know was happening. Okay.
Give me a second. It doesn't activate multiple times. I don't know why. Classic wife mom pissed at you. Yeah, like, yeah, true. Goldfish memory. Shut the fuck up, man. Okay, so why does it not happen? Why does it not work? Come on, tell me I have 2 activations. 1 activation? And the max volume is in Nexus 1. Tell me it happens again. Wait. Why is it not? Oh, I see. Yeah, wait. Cost multiplier. Activations. So less than activation count. Then we have a cost multiplier of 0, otherwise 1. And then we turn this index into activations. There you go. We got it, guys. This is it. Do you remember what code you just added? I'm in apply skill tree. You just did x equals some var equals x. Yes. Yes, I did. And this is important. So why did I do this here? Where's this? I guess like apply skill tree. Here, what I just did was very important is I keep the activation counter and the time passed because abilities need to store what cooldown they have. And then I grab a new ability from the skill tree. I copy the data over and then I keep the previous data. So the cooldown and the activations. So what does that mean? Oftentimes when there is a new ability on a skill tree and I updated the ability, I want to make sure that I get the new data. So the stats, like more physical damage, more duration, all of that. But I want to make sure that I keep the time passed and activations. Otherwise, it will keep overwriting it. I can also do this in an if check, of course. Come on, please tell me this works now. Please. Oh, hell yeah! Look at that! Now we just need to figure out we need to do a pivot point, I think, plus equals pivot direction. times lift up divided by 2. And this is also divided by 2. Let's see how that works. Hell yeah. And then I also want to make sure that... if linearity is greater than max value minus min value on activations. Okay. Divided by 2 because of sign. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Holy shit. Wait, huh? What the fuck? Wait, I want to activate the ability, but then it's also activating that, huh? You made me want to continue my tower defense with Pokemon. See you later. Oh, Mad King, that's awesome to hear, bro. That's really cool. So essentially here is... oh, that's difficult to do. Yeah, he's fast. There's a reason for that, and that's bad. So I think I want to do it like this, essentially. Get rid of this. I might do it differently. Let's try it like this. What the fuck was that? Damn, bro. Bros, gotta be careful here. Holy moly. Goodness. That's awesome. I know why this happens. It's because of the frame rate. It's also it's an electric saw. How do I do this? Call it ultimate ability and ship it. Fuck, man. Let me just do this. So essentially the issue is the following. I figured out how to do a proper T value, but the issue is that in between those steps, essentially I want to activate the ability here in the middle. This is where I want to activate it. Or actually I have an idea. It's all about animations, actually. It's all about animations. I have an idea. So instead of... where is that? The sign of T. I just multiply the T by 2. Actually, we do T divided by 2. And then at the very end, it's just gonna be a thrust. It's gonna be it. Hell yeah, that's it. Take a look at this. Or is it? Yes, it is. And so now we can actually do something better, like 8, 12, and 20. Let's see. So maybe we start with 20. 30, maybe 30 is too much. 30 and 40. Is this enemy design based on a reviewer that said Wukong doesn't have... Wait, I feel like lift ups don't do anything. Right? Huh? What the fuck? Cakez, the lift ups should be the other way around. First step is longer travel distance, and later you move less. Is the enemy design based on a reviewer that said Wukong doesn't have any female characters? No. Assassin's Creed Mirage? Huh? I'm so confused. What if I do 300 here? I'm so confused. Like, huh? Huh? Okay. How about we put this to 0.6? Let's see what happens. What do you guys think? And then every time we activate, of course, we create an effect. Okay. So options, we'll see. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Angle is important. This is the, where is that? Swing data to the weapon angle. Layer is in front of entity. Good layer. Loop duration. Is gonna be 0.2. Duration is gonna be 0.2. Timer, we don't need that. Love to see these sprites. I love these sprites and map style. That's awesome to hear, bro. That's very cool. Velocity, maybe, is entity, attack, direction, size, center. This one's important. Dot is pivot point plus pivot direction times something. Lift up, maybe. Divided by 2. And then material, we keep it like this for now. We sprite, effect type, target ID. Doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Take direction, and then what? Why does the lift up not work? Maybe because of this? Probably. Eh? Why is this complaining? Hey, you're lying. Bruv, it's right here. Oh, I see. I have a big P. Yeah, I have a big PP. Yeah, that's true. Good. Yeah. We need to go into assets and quickly add that effect. Sprite effect. Sting. Sting. And then this is a 16 by 48 sprite. Don't know about the pivot offset yet. We have 4 or 3 sprites. Let's do 3 sprites for now. And then where's the position of this? This is the one we did earlier here to the right. Where was that? Here. This thrust, that is on 1184 and 1312. There we go. Cool. Now that we have this sprite effect string. There we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, this thing is... Oh, wow. Wow, that's far. Let's put it on the pivot point first. Huh? Oh, I see. And is it center plus pivot point? But shouldn't pivot point be... Huh? Ah, I see. This should happen here. Together. Because then we can easily disconnect these two. Let's see. This is gonna be... Oh, wow. Actually, that... Wow. That... wow. Lol. Guys. Huh? It doesn't look too bad. Oh. Plus, sorry, not times. Let's see. Not bad. It keeps alive. It looks like. I don't know why that's... I don't want it to keep alive. I don't know why that would happen. Why is it going back to the last one? That doesn't make sense to me. Ah, wait, so the last one... wait, I know why. I know why, guys. There we go.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, wow. What the fuck? Aha, I see now. I understand, guys. I do understand. What did you break? Oh, no, I didn't break anything. Ja. So, const float angle is 24. And if we do, then we do angle is minus angle. Let's call it done angle. Done angle. Done angle. And then we set the swing data to done angle. In the else case here. It's the else case, bruv. There we go. Huh? Oh, I see. Okay, wait a minute. Almost. Excuse me. Okay, this has got to be it, right? Why is it flickering though? I don't like the flickering. Cakes, why you're not using an engine? Or maybe I just do this. Let's see if this works. What do you use for the sound library? Huh. I like this. I think. What do you guys think? It's bugged. That slash looks bugged, the weapon teleports. Hello for Cakes just reads questions out loud but then doesn't answer them. Almost impressive. I have an idea, guys, for the effect. Wonder what if that works. At least his hits part of the ability or normal attack. Our last hits. Let's see here. 4? What do you guys think? Then I set the velocity to like 2. Let's see. Someone report to collector that Cakez AI is not working correctly today. He only reads questions but not answering them. Last part of the hits last part because I don't know. I'm gonna fix this first and then I can answer questions, guys. It's important, okay?
Gotcha, bitch.
So I think what I want to do here is this. And then just copy or yoink the one where I had this up here, right? Sword rotation. Something like this. Something like that. Let's see. Pivot point. Let's see what this does. Oh wow, that looks bad. Yeah, also because of this. Let's test. And Game Dev Mood, thank you very much for following, man. What the fuck? Holy moly. Good day, good Friday. Yes, sir, it is. Oh, man. No! What the fuck, bro? Braked? Ja, keiner. This is so stupid. This is so fucking moronic. It's pissing me off. Really. It really pisses me off. Like, Vim and undoing and redoing 10 different things, you know? It really pisses me off. Because sometimes you just don't need that, man. Eh? I know what to do, guys. I know what to do. I'm gonna undo stuff here. We had it like this. Essentially, all I need to do here is this. Get rid of this, get rid of this. We don't need that. We don't need that at all. None of this. Okay, this is fine. There we go. And then what we do here is just... we set the timer to 0. Which means we are done with the ability. Let's see. What do you mean? It's gone. Huh? Oh man, bro. This is difficult. Fuck, man. Hello, Psycho. Good morning, bro. God, we are so close. We are so close to have this awesome ability. I suppose in this case we just have to like redo some of this stuff here. Do I use this? Yeah, I do. We can't see his hands. Don't worry, once he starts his reacts, it'll be timed out right away for sure. True. Pivot direction. That's fine. Swing data weapon angle. Let's just put it to 0. And weapon distance, we don't do that. Get rid of this. It flickers. I hate that. Why does it flicker? Also, it stays there for way too long. I don't like it. Oh, bro, it's so annoying. God damn it. Man. This sucks. I don't like it.
Gotcha, bitch.
A Prime SC, thank you very much for following. Oh, this sucks. Also, like, let me... Draw, format, UI text. Swing, time. Timer. Percentage, 0.2f. Position. Oh, why can... Yeah. Oh, ist das warm.
Come, move down.
Man, we would have had this
come,
ability
Daddy.
in the game
You're my
already
butter
and
cakes.
perfectly working if
Sugar.
my math was better.
Daddy.
No, I need a W, you know. I need a dick. I
Let's
need
see.
a
Entity,
big fat.
position origin. And then text data dot render options is outline. Come on, man. I wanted to get a lot of stuff done today. Come on. There we go. Let's see. Swing timer. Let's see. Wait, the swing timer just resets every time? Huh? You see that? Why does it reset? It goes back to 1. Huh? What happens? Why? Eh. Wait, I think it's going into the swing animation next frame. Resets to idle. Yeah, it seems to. Oh, I see. I see what the issue is. I know what the problem is. Activations +1. I think this is it. Damn. So guys, what do you think? Game dev socializing? So guys, what is your opinion on this? Good? You know what? Maybe a nice with this ability before attacking the Tangy, point the weapon, the enemy, gather strength, unleash fast 3 strikes. I think he just got raided by guests. Yeah, my parents are here. Let's see here. There we go. So we have bleed damage increases. We can also do physical damage increases. Watch this. Huh? What do you guys think? Huh? Isn't that awesome? You can say it, guys. You can say it's awesome. Come on. Nice, actually. Yep. New ability today. With activations in there. Yeah, yeah. Isn't that nice? Mm-hmm. Yep. The stabby spell, huh? Yeah. This is supposed to be a very strong attack. Very strong single target attack. And it's supposed to inflict bleed, which I don't understand why. Oh, it doesn't because I don't have bleed chance. I forgot to add bleed chance to the enemy. Let's see. Yeah. So I forgot to add the most important thing. That bleed chance. Base 100. Of course it always inflicts a bleeding debuff. Now it should. There we go. Took a look at that. Damn, look at this ability, bro. Oh. 3 quick strikes, that's what you tried to explain to us because I definitely didn't understand from the explanation.
What the fuck is that? Microsoft Office? I didn't want to start that trash.
Mr. Rios, thank you very much for following, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Sorry. Oh my god.
So,
to the big game developers, Mr. Rames and Mr. Real Super Cool in chat. How would you rate this ability from 0 to 10? How much would you rate this ability that I did today?
You got the mic.
Good morning, Senor Cakez.
L out of 10 is from no, that's from Zaka. That's not what I want. No clip, I got scammed, you got clip. Mr. Rames, Mr. Rizupuku, thrust out of 10. Come on, guys. It's a 999 out of 10. Dirty Mike. If Space Marine was 2, 6 out of 10 according to IGN. I'd probably skill it on my Tangy, 2 out of 10. Okay, Mr. Niska. Why is it 10? Why is it 2 out of 10, Mr.? 6 out of 10, very flat, but will do. Doesn't feel impactful? What do you mean it doesn't feel impactful? Look at the fucking bleeds it does. Huh? For the time it took, I give it a 9. More impact when it was firing like a Gatling gun before. Yeah, that's true. But you know how we can increase this? You know how we can increase this, by the way? Or better, make this better? Take a look at this. Oh wow. Zoe is very loud right now. Yeah, you guys hear that too? Like for me, this is very, like I can't concentrate because I'm like constantly. Watch this, guys. Take a look at this. So you see how the cast time is 1 second by default, right? Take a look at this. Now it's 0.5. If it builds, once it's done building. You see this? You saw that? So what I can do now with this is I can essentially make it slower or faster depending on how I want to do it. You see this? And so now I could say, okay, well, if I have items with cast time, this guy is much, much faster. It overlaps too much with the regular attack. I think I'm actually gonna turn this into a 2-second cooldown so that you can reduce the cooldown with items. Maybe. We'll see. What if you made it take the same amount of time but add 5 stabs? I think 3 stabs is already very powerful, bro. It's like, this is like 5 times as much damage as normal. As a normal attack, bro. I left 40 minutes ago. Where has the machine gun attack gone? You should give it an 80% chance to reactivate for a chance to get crazy chain attacks. Now, for now, I'll keep it like this, I think. Tune down the damage so that 5 stabs does the same damage as the current 3. So what you're saying is, essentially... I would have 5 of these and a minus 10, 0, 20, 30, 50. And essentially the same here. And then we essentially say, okay, well, we have 5 activations. And then here it says 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. Actually, we start if we have 5, then we need to do 0.1, 0.3, 0.6, 0.8, actually 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.9. And then lift ups. Oh, good. We need to have 25. 35. 50, I guess. Oh yeah, the min values. Oof. That's 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. 0.6. I prefer something like 2 weak attacks, 60% damage, a big delay, and 1 heavy attack, which does log. Watching your code like watching a car crash into a slow motion painful, but I can't look away. You're wrong. You're negative. I try 3 fast attacks, short pause, and a 4th final one. Bitch. You're wrong. We'll try this. Oh wow. What the fuck happened? Damn. Man down. True. That version feels better? I don't think so. I don't think it does. To be honest, I don't think it does. No. No. I think it looks... It's weird, to be honest. Something's odd about the timing, yeah. Let's undo this. Three is better. Yes. So what we could do here is definitely 0.1, 0.2, then 0.6. Right, that does work. Maybe that. Oh wait, sorry about that. That's 0.2 here. And then what we could do here, and this is the cool stuff, we can say this entire thing, right? This entire thing is ease in quad. Now we have an easing function applied to this. Maybe expo? Hmm? You saw that? I think I like it. The last thrust is too slow. I know, I don't know how to make the last thrust faster. I would essentially have to do... like this, and then we just do times speed ups. Like this. Maybe that works. What the fuck? And then we need to attack. When do we create the effect? When... If t is greater than 1. No, wait a minute, that doesn't work. You can add a smaller cooldown on the regular attack after stabbing ends. Does it do AoE or single target? This is supposed to be very high single target damage. We are almost there, guys. But I think we are... It was already decent enough. It doesn't move back. Oh wait, I have an idea. How about we do this? Then we don't add that in here. What about this? What do you guys think? And then after this, we could say speed ups is 0.5. Does that even work? What do you guys think? Maybe 0.5 is too slow? Maybe 0.75? Feels the same? No, I think you guys are wrong. What are you guys talking about? Huh? How do you mean unimpactful? Try bigger amounts? What do you mean bigger amounts? Look at this for reference. You do understand that there's screen shake going on. This is a first-person game. You do understand that he has sound effects. And I do a tower defense game. He's talking about the motions only. So what you guys are saying is there should be many, many more motions, essentially. So is there a way to determine the minimum value based on the maximum value? It's just hard to see any visible difference. Try a wider range of values. Fine, I'll try that. He means the character hits slow but hard on last hits. So what you're saying is... I don't know how to do a pause, guys. I know what you mean. I don't know how to do a pause. You got it once, then changed? No, this is what I had before. This is what I had before. But it was slow. Would a 2-pixel knockback work? The weight of the last hit should take longer to charge. I think it's okay. I have an idea though. Sprite effect. Sting. Here. With dot render options. Hey, why is it complaining? Come on. I hate that, man. Why are you complaining? Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. There's no way you should be complaining right now. Relax. Oh, I hate that, man. I fucking hate this. Fuck you. Come on. Yeah, so draw data, you moron. Okay, fine. Bloom. Ah, this is some bullshit. Yeah, so now it works, right? Fuck you! Okay, relax. Additive blending. It's gonna be awesome, guys. Just wait. Dot material. Dot color is 1, 1, 1. And now the alpha value is something we have to calculate based on t. But I think what we could do here is use t. Or maybe linear t. But we'll try to use t for now. And let's see. How this works. Angle is swing data dot angle. Well, weapon angle. There we go. I thought the idea of the thrust ability was bleed. Fast attacks fits better ammo rather than a strong last hit. Can always make that difference. Hey guys, what do you think about this? Huh? What do you think about this, my brothers? Oh, also. We need the layer, of course. Yeah, in the wrong direction, in the wrong order. Here we go. I guess it works for now. Guess why you're so against this? Isn't this good? Huh? Your wife probably liked it when you tell her at night that you don't know how to make a pause. Huh? No. You're making it worse? What do you mean? Checks out 3 hours for 3 stabs. I don't know, that VFX sprites feels like doing a weak attack. Huh? How is this a weak attack? You see that the last... Yeah, I know. I just don't know how to make the last one faster. Maybe the wiggle at the beginning of the animation would look like it's building power. Do you use a different ease for the last thrust? No, the last thrust needs to move faster, essentially. It's missing some juice. The VFX sprite. So maybe we do 1 minus T. It's possible to gradient color blade. Let's see. Oh shit, that's bad. And it's also not in front. Some blood splatter particles when the enemy gets hits, maybe? Isn't he going to have huge swords once upgraded? This might look weird with the Buzzer Sword and others. Let's see. Difficult to say. I don't know. I think it works. I think it works out. We just need to make the last one faster. Cakez, I know you thrust your coding skills, but I thought about working full-time on hiring a real developer instead. You're gone. 5 minutes, bruv. I'm making some crazy stuff here, okay, bitch? Just wait. Alright. My brothers. We need to figure out how to make the last thrust fast. In a way. Please read my message. It feels like you're casting a decent-ish spell, not doing a heavy attack with bonk weapon. It's supposed to be a sting thing, guys. It's supposed to be stinging. I don't understand. Like, I don't see the, like... I'm not supposed to do a bonk attack at the moment. There's no bonk. Well, like, how do you get bonk? Like, bonk is club. Guys, we're doing sting. Fuck, man. It was so easy, but it's always like the last little touch takes so long. If possible, to gradient color of the blade to red for more impact. Yeah, we could try that, actually. Let's try red. Oh, wow. It doesn't really do much. Well, lol. What the fuck? Wait, maybe because... The thing is, it's not in front. What are we actually looking at? An ability. An ability, him attacking 3 times. The poke thing, yeah. It's not an ability, looks more like a disability. Okay, guys. I think I like red. But I need to make the last sting maybe a different function. So it needs to last there longer. Wait, how do we do this? Void pointer. Easing functions. Ease. But how do we do this? Void pointer to a function or something? I don't know how that works. Float. I have no clue. And then ease in expo. Ease in expo. Like, how do I do an array of function pointers? Never done that. Let's see. Int. Okay, so something... No, wait. Huh? P? Huh? What? This? Okay. Never done that before. Easings. This. Can I do it like this? And then ease in expo. No. That's not how it works. Well, because these return floats. Maybe. No. Your brace is wrong. It should be next to the equal. Okay, can we have like some real... Void pointer D, like, okay. float, void, easings. Aha. Thank you. Cool. And then we make our own easing function, which is ease slow or ease heavy heavy sting. Which we don't have, by the way. But we'll put it at the very bottom. Or not. We'll put it below the super cool function, okay? Ease, heavy sting. So, if T is below 0.4, then we return T. Otherwise, we return 1 minus. Oh, damn. How do we do this? I want it to be very, very fast. Ease out elastic. No, I'll ease in. One minus square root. Ease in expo. I guess I want it to be very fast. Let's see if this works. Super cool function looks weird. Yeah, because that was a function that we did, you know. Hey. It does work. Okay, cool. And then what we do, easings. On. Activations. Wow, it does work. Cool. Let's see. Now, we should have ease and expo twice. How is that working, bro? Huh? What happened? Oh, I see. I get it now. Null pointer, yeah. Then we need to put this to 4 because it needs to be one more, yeah. I see. Yep. Let's see. Hey! Why do I get another access violation? Huh? What the fuck? How? This is some bullshit. Why not? Why? Let's see. Huh. So I guess the heavy sting is now 0.6. Linear T, I guess we divide that by 4. I'm just gonna, you know, hard code this. 0.6 is not enough even. It looks like 0.8 and divide by 6 or something. There's no way. Huh? Okay. Okay. All right. What do you think, guys? Huh? Maybe divided by 8? Remove the white VFX on last. Do you really need the condition? Yeah, I do. Because I can't do this with Mars. The sword shouldn't move slowly forward? What do you mean? Look at this, guys. I have an idea. I have a really cool idea. Watch this. Pivot point plus equals get noise. So let's mark this as A and then get noise. Or let's see noise. Noise. There we go. Hit noise. This right here could be turned into a function. And actually, I'm gonna put this in the schnitzel lib even. Maybe here. Float get noise. And then it takes in a... Oh, the shake duration is an issue, I guess. Yeah. Float amplitude is 1. And then we don't need that, we don't need that. We do this. And then we also need a float time, I guess. Do we? I think noise is always in combination with time, right? What is noise speed, even? Oh, I hate that so much! I fucking hate this so much, man! There we go, okay. Hit noise. So how do we get noise? We need an amplitude, time, and what is this noise speed? Ah, I see. So essentially we have const float amplitude and const float noise speed, which is 100, I guess. Hey boys, back from launch, how are we looking? We're getting very close to have this ability done. And then I don't know what this amplitude is supposed to be here. Like this. Amplitude. Oh, I see. Vector 2. And then we can, instead of this, we have hit noise is get noise, taking in the game state, game time, then amplitude, and noise speed. There we go. And I'll have a function that I can do here.
Gotcha, bitch.
Game state, game time, or level state, level time, I guess. Actually, we can even get use the T value here. I think, but I might do level state, level time. Thank you very much for following, bro. Vex. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and then amplitude. Let's just do T times 10 or something. And then noise speed, let's do 100 for now. Let's see how this looks. Huh? No. Let's try 10 by default. 10 is a little bit much. Um, 100? That's odd. So it does work, but it's not working on the sword. Eh? This is so bad. This doesn't work. I guess this... Maybe instead of pivot point, we do pivot direction. Plus equals noise, and then T times 1. Also just T. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Goodness, okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't hit properly then. God damn it. Lol, yeah, wait. If T is less than 0.9. It's very conditional, you know, guys. But you know, let's try this.
Gotcha, bitch.
Come on, guys. You're gonna give me some slack here. Huh? Come on. This is good. Come on, give me a W. Huh? This looks good, bruv. 100%. You've got your W. This is just sad to watch. You're done. You're done. I'm gonna ban you. I'm actually gonna ban you. Fuck you. This is a W moment, you know, and you should give me a clap. Here, guys, clap. Come on, give me a clap, guys. Those in chat that think that this is a W, give me a clap. Come on, Good morning, Dev Smudges. Thank you very much for rating. Big W? Yes, thank you. We made a cool ability, bro. Look at this. Look at that, bro. See this? And what happens if we speed this up, though? This is speed up, by the way. So what we need to do, the last thing, is actually make this more visible here. Why is this not visible? I don't like the weird shaking. I don't like the weird shaking. I don't like this. This doesn't look like it's good enough, bro. I just should do it differently because this is not good enough. Bro. It is how it is, okay? Parkinson's Trust. Why is there a delay in the sound? There's no delay in the sound. It's gotta be Twitch. Very nice. There's one last issue we need to fix. And you guys might have noticed this. He is not animating the sword because the ability does not reset the activations. That means whenever the ability is off cooldown again, which an update hero ability pointer. There we go. Every single abilities, I guess it's apply abilities, right? When the time passed, recharge done. If the ability, cooldown, is greater and the time passed is greater, then we do ability dot data dot activations is 0. There we go. We have abilities implemented, my brothers. Watch this. Da, bro. Look at this. Update. Game. Debug. Take a look at this, guys. Watch this. This is juicy. I'm gonna increase this to 22. Huh? Come on. Give me a W. This is a W, guys. Come on. Can you show us your butt cheeks? You're banned. You're banned. How long do you want? 10 minutes? Butt cheeks joke? 10 minutes. W, clap. Yeah. I think this is a good ability, guys. Come on. Now that thrust stance is in, when will you add a pillar stance? So you're telling me that I took this from Black Myth Wukong and it's not actually my own creation. That's what you're telling me right now? Is that what you're telling? GG, bye. Looks great, Cakez. Hot Cod really wrong, bro. How are you doing it? Take a look at this, bro. Hold on my groin. I think this is the power of C++ in action here. That, damn, this is so fucking cool. Guys. Watch this. Watch this. Take a look at this. I have a really cool idea. color white on first hit, color white on second hit, and then color palette. I think it's 04. Is it? That's red. I want it to be this color right here. That's 15. Take a look. This is one last thing that we could do. Watch this. This gotta work. Huh? I need to quickly change the attack function, okay? Give me a second. W, yeah, wait. We're close to a really good W here. Don't you need an array of 4? No, because I only have 3 activations. Damage number color. If is damage number color is unequal to color white, then we do this. Otherwise, damage number color. And this is gotta be a question mark. There you go. Let's take a look at this. Huh? Wait, so... Huh? Am I stupid? If it's white... Then I see. If it's white, we want to do this. Otherwise, we want to use the supplied one. Yeah. Like this. What do you guys think? Like this? Huh? Or maybe instead of 15, right? Instead of 15, we could use a more... like this. Maybe 8. For like a strong attack. Strong physical attack. Well, like this. Why not 2 thrust effects on the last, so it's more visual? No, we keep it like this. I'm done, man. I'm done. I think I have a really cool ability here. That looks like a crit hit. Yeah, I mean, it's a powerful hit. Guys, I think it's good. I think we have something here. I'm happy about this. Another sound effect. This will be for later. I'm not gonna do sound effects. We'll do sound effects later, yes. But not right now. Absolutely not. Hell no. I'm happy. I'm very happy. We added in a new ability, so that means the skill tree of this guy just got 1 more ability. That means we have 1, maybe 2, 3 abilities left to implement, and then this guy is fully done. We need to have, you know, small little side notes, but then we already have our first unit in the game. And just with this first unit, we have implemented a bunch of different mechanics in the game that can all be applied to different units without having to implement them again. Like, for example, yesterday, how we did knockback and stun at the same time. This doesn't need to be implemented again. And so now I can have big, really huge weapons like clubs and just hit enemies with those clubs and stun them. And it's just implemented already. I don't have to implement this again. And so the systems are coming more and more into play, which is awesome. And so yeah, what I'll probably do here is have the sound effects for this made later. This is the one part of the game that I still need to work on. But yes, really cool. Very nice. Let's do a git commit and push. Git add. Git commit -m. Edit a new ability called Sting. Git push. Man, that was a doozy, guys. I have to say. But I mean, we got through it, right? We got it done. So I'm happy about that.